There were days where I thought we wouldn't make it out.
We're here at Glenworth Valley for the third time, and that's the setup.
Today's our day. There were nights we would fight, no end in sight, nothing was right. Tonight's our night. Tonight's our night.
Oh, it actually did go in. I thought I got a slim tab up.
We'll make it out and fall in love tonight. Ain't nothing needed but us feeling right. Just take a chance, we got a wild ride.
Probably good to finish it. Going to do a wee in our toilet because it's about to piss town, and Daz thinks we don't have time to get there and get back. So
We were meant to be.
Okay, this is
There were times when we found it, fell back in love. The best still to come. Our time is now. Our time is now. I'll fight for you until this life is over. There's no giving up here, babe. We'll make it out and fall in love tonight. Ain't nothing needed but us feeling right. Just take a chance, we got a wild ride. Wait and see, you and me, we were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be.
Here she is. Vision.
Does anyone want cheese in their bacon? I do. Okay. So much room in here. Definitely room for a family shower.
Point at them right on ourselves, 'cause all that we've become is so far from what we want. Our needs, our loves, our everything, it's ours to get down with. I remember you once said we couldn't leave without a glow, 'cause that's what makes us whole. But it's gone, we both know that it's gone. We searched and shouted and tried to move, but that's just what they do to